Hello, food lovers. Today we journey to Greece, a land of sunshine and delicious food. Get ready to make two Greek favorites, gyro and tzatziki. Gyro is like a tasty sandwich wrap. Imagine warm flatbread filled with juicy meat, fresh veggies, and creamy sauce. Tzatziki is a cool and refreshing sauce made with yogurt, cucumbers, and garlic. It's perfect for dipping or drizzling over your gyro. Are you excited? Let's get cooking. Gyro has a long history, going back many centuries. It's a popular street food in Greece, enjoyed by people of all ages. The word gyro means turn in Greek. This refers to how the meat for gyro is cooked on a slowly turning rotisserie. Tzatziki also has ancient roots, with similar yogurt-based sauces enjoyed in the Eastern Mediterranean for a long time. Now that we know a little bit about their history, let's gather our ingredients. For our delicious gyro, we will need a variety of fresh and flavorful ingredients. Let's start with the basics. First, we have thin flatbreads. These are like soft tortillas, but they have a unique texture and flavor that makes them perfect for wrapping up all the delicious fillings. Next, we need your favorite gyro meat. You can choose from lamb, chicken, beef, or even pork. Each type of meat brings its own distinct taste and texture to the gyro, so feel free to experiment and find your favorite combination. Olive oil is essential for that authentic Mediterranean flavor. A drizzle of high-quality olive oil can elevate the taste of your gyro to new heights. Don't forget the salt and pepper. These simple seasonings are crucial for making the flavors pop and ensuring that every bite is perfectly seasoned. Thinly sliced onion adds a sharp bite to the gyro. The crisp texture and pungent flavor of the onion complement the other ingredients beautifully. Chopped tomato brings a juicy sweetness to the mix. The fresh, vibrant flavor of the tomato balances out the richness of the meat and the sharpness of the onion. And of course, we need some lettuce. We like to use romaine lettuce torn into pieces. It adds a refreshing crunch and a bit of greenery to the gyro. Remember, you can add other things you like too. The beauty of making a gyro is that it's highly customizable. You can get creative and add your favorite ingredients to make it truly your own. Some people enjoy adding feta cheese or red onion to their gyro. The creamy, tangy flavor of feta cheese pairs wonderfully with the other ingredients, while red onion adds an extra layer of sharpness and color. And let's not forget the tzatziki sauce. This creamy, tangy sauce made from yogurt, cucumber, garlic, and herbs is a classic addition to any gyro. It adds a cool, refreshing element that ties all the flavors together. Now that we have all our ingredients, it's time to assemble the gyro. Start by laying out your flatbread, then add a generous portion of your chosen meat. Top it with the sliced onion, chopped tomato, and torn lettuce. Drizzle with olive oil and tzatziki sauce, and sprinkle with salt and pepper to taste. If you're using feta cheese or red onion, add those as well. Finally, wrap it all up tightly in the flatbread, and your delicious gyro is ready to enjoy. Whether you're making it for a quick lunch or a satisfying dinner, this gyro is sure to be a hit. Enjoy! If you are using raw meat, cook it until it is nicely browned. This is a crucial step because the browning process not only enhances the flavor, but also ensures that the meat is safe to eat. The Maillard reaction, which occurs when the meat browns, creates complex flavors that are essential for a delicious gyro. Make sure to turn the meat occasionally to get an even cook on all sides. Depending on the type of meat you're using, this could take anywhere from 10 to 20 minutes. If you're using a meat thermometer, aim for an internal temperature of 165 degrees Fahrenheit for poultry or 145 degrees Fahrenheit for beef, lamb, or pork. This ensures that the meat is cooked all the way through and is safe to consume, and cooked all the way through. You can grill it, which adds a smoky flavor that many people love. Alternatively, you can pan fry it, which gives you more control over the cooking process and allows you to add other ingredients like onions or garlic directly to the pan. If you're looking for a hands-off approach, baking the meat in the oven is a great option. Preheat your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit and cook the meat on a baking sheet for about 20-25 minutes or until it reaches the desired internal temperature. Each method has its own unique benefits, so feel free to experiment and find out which one you prefer. Pan fry it or even bake it. Warm your flatbreads in a pan or on a griddle. This step is often overlooked, but it's essential for achieving the perfect texture. Warming the flatbreads makes them more pliable, which is crucial for wrapping them around the filling without tearing. You can also warm them in the oven if you prefer. Just wrap them in aluminum foil and place them in a preheated oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for about 10 minutes. This will make them soft and easy to fold, which is exactly what you want for a gyro or on a griddle. This makes them soft and easy to fold. Brush the flatbreads with a little olive oil. This adds flavor and helps prevent them from getting soggy. Olive oil is a staple in Mediterranean cuisine and adds a rich, fruity flavor that complements the other ingredients in the gyro. If you don't have olive oil, you can use another type of oil, but olive oil is highly recommended for its flavor and health benefits. Brushing the flatbreads with oil also creates a barrier that helps keep the moisture from the filling from soaking into the bread, ensuring that your gyro stays deliciously crisp. This adds flavor and helps prevent them from getting soggy. Now, the fun part, layer your meat onto the flatbread. Be generous with the meat as it's the star of the show. Arrange it in an even layer so that every bite is packed with flavor. You can use a variety of meats for your gyro, including lamb, beef, chicken, or even a combination. Each type of meat brings its own unique flavor and texture to the dish, so feel free to get creative. If you're using leftover meat, make sure it's heated through before adding it to the flatbread. This will help meld the flavors together and create a more cohesive dish. Onion, tomato, and lettuce on top of the flatbread. These fresh vegetables add a wonderful crunch and a burst of flavor that complements the savory meat. Thinly slice the onions and tomatoes for the best texture. You can also add other vegetables like cucumbers, bell peppers, or even pickles if you like. The key is to use fresh, high-quality ingredients to enhance the overall flavor of the gyro. Lettuce adds a nice crispness, but you can also use other greens like arugula or spinach for a different flavor profile. The combination of meat and vegetables creates a balanced and satisfying meal. And lettuce on top of the flatbread. Drizzle your favorite tzatziki sauce, we'll make it soon, over the top. Tzatziki sauce is a creamy, tangy sauce made from yogurt, cucumbers, garlic, and herbs. It's the perfect finishing touch for a gyro, adding a cool, refreshing contrast to the warm, savory meat and vegetables. You can make your own tzatziki sauce at home, or use a store-bought version if you're short on time. Either way, be generous with the sauce, as it ties all the flavors together and makes the gyro truly delicious. Over the top. Congratulations, you've made a fantastic gyro. Now, let's make the creamy tzatziki sauce to go with it. This sauce is incredibly easy to make and adds so much flavor to the gyro. You'll need some Greek yogurt, a cucumber, garlic, lemon juice, and fresh herbs like dill or mint. Grate the cucumber and squeeze out the excess moisture, then mix it with the yogurt, minced garlic, lemon juice, and herbs. Season with salt and pepper to taste. Let the sauce sit for a few minutes to allow the flavors to meld together. Once it's ready, drizzle it over your gyro and enjoy. The combination of the warm, savory meat, fresh vegetables, and creamy tzatziki sauce is absolutely irresistible. Enjoy your homemade gyro. Section 5. What we need, tzatziki. Today we're diving into the world of Greek cuisine to make a classic and refreshing tzatziki sauce. This creamy, tangy dip is a staple in Mediterranean dishes and is incredibly versatile. Whether you're using it as a dip for vegetables, a sauce for grilled meats, or a spread for sandwiches, tzatziki is sure to elevate your meal. For our refreshing tzatziki sauce, we need Greek yogurt. Greek yogurt is the base of our tzatziki, providing that rich and creamy texture that makes this sauce so delightful. It's thicker than regular yogurt, which helps the sauce hold its shape and gives it a satisfying mouthfeel. This yogurt is thick and tangy, perfect for tzatziki. The tanginess of the Greek yogurt adds a nice contrast to the other fresh ingredients, making each bite a burst of flavor. Cucumber. We'll grate it for a crunchy texture. Cucumbers add a refreshing crunch and a bit of moisture to the sauce. Make sure to grate them finely and squeeze out any excess water to keep the tzatziki from becoming too watery. Garlic. Just a little bit for flavor. Garlic adds a pungent kick to the tzatziki, but be careful not to overdo it. A small clove or two should be enough to infuse the sauce with its distinctive aroma and taste. Fresh dill. This herb adds a lovely fresh taste. Dill is a classic herb in tzatziki, bringing a bright, slightly sweet flavor that complements the tangy yogurt and crunchy cucumber perfectly. Lemon juice. A squeeze of lemon brightens up the sauce. The acidity of the lemon juice cuts through the creaminess of the yogurt, adding a zesty note that makes the tzatziki even more refreshing. Olive oil for richness and flavor. A drizzle of good quality olive oil adds a layer of richness to the tzatziki, enhancing its overall flavor profile and giving it a silky finish. And of course, salt and pepper to taste. Seasoning is key to bringing all the flavors together. Add salt and pepper gradually, tasting as you go, to ensure the perfect balance. See? Simple, fresh ingredients for a delicious sauce. With just a few basic ingredients, you can create a tzatziki sauce that's bursting with flavor and perfect for any occasion. enjoy it as a dip, a sauce, or even a spread, and bring a taste of Greece to your table. First, grate your cucumber. You can peel it first if you like. Wrap the grated cucumber in a clean kitchen towel and squeeze out the extra moisture. This will prevent your tzatziki from being watery. In a bowl, combine the Greek yogurt, grated cucumber, minced garlic, chopped dill, lemon juice, and olive oil. Mix everything together well. Taste and add a little salt and pepper until it's just right. That's it. Your tzatziki sauce is ready to be enjoyed. For extra flavor, marinate your gyro meat in lemon juice, garlic, and herbs before cooking. You can use pre-made gyro meat from the store if you are short on time. Don't overstuff your gyro or it will be difficult to eat. Make the tzatziki sauce ahead of time to allow the flavors to blend. Serve your gyro with extra tzatziki sauce on the side for dipping. Remember, cooking should be fun. Don't be afraid to experiment and make the recipe your own. Gyro and tzatziki are best enjoyed with friends and family. Invite your loved ones over for a Greek feast. You can set up a gyro bar where everyone can assemble their own wraps with their favorite fillings. Don't forget the napkins. Gyro can be a little messy, but that's part of the fun. Sharing food is a wonderful way to connect with others and create lasting memories. Congratulations on creating a taste of Greece in your own kitchen. We hope you enjoyed this culinary adventure. Remember, cooking is about more than just following a recipe. It's about exploring new flavors, experimenting with ingredients, and sharing delicious food with the people you care about. So go ahead, take a bite of your delicious gyro, savor the cool and creamy tzatziki, and imagine yourself transported to the sunny shores of Greece. Kali orexi. That means bon appetit in Greek.